Hello everyone. I'm here with Arun and Shilpa from Love to Eat. We just achieved almost 200% growth in orders with a ROAS of 2.2x using our specifically targeting strategies, which we have designed in, Arlox with some of the AI tools. Even though I think Pixel had a lot of issues with the attribution, pixel firing, pixel misattribution happening before you guys tried the ads, right? Before us. So just a little bit intro. Love to Eat is a ready to cook brand solving the problem of the kitchen, right? Giving them products, within 10 to 15 minutes in their kitchen, they can eat with an average order value of almost 550 rupees at the moment. And customer base primarily in Bangalore and I think in the tier one cities also. So I think we have been working together for a very short time, right? Before we were sorting out the foundational part, you guys were also sorting the manufacturing, right? Moving into a different place. Then just recently, very recently, we started our ads. But even in this very short period of time, we have almost achieved like almost, one order to 200%, increase in the orders. Also increase in ROAS as well, because you tried certain ads before, which didn't work out really well while making sure 100% orders we are getting prepaid so far. One customer canceled, the order, I think, which is completely fine. And I think, yeah, that's all. I would like to hear from you guys now, Arun and Shilpa. Like, how did you started, Love to Eat? What was your thought process back then?
It was just a wild idea to begin with. We were in the UK. We got this idea as to why not do this. It was something out of necessity. The food that we had access to here in India, we did not have access to in the UK. And we both are foodies, and we both cook well as well. And we tried different combinations for a few recipes, and then the recipes used to take a lot of time, 2 hours, 3 hours, in some cases 1 day. Masala Puri, for instance, takes 1 day to prepare. We then started using our own new novel recipes to reduce the time. It was a pain that we experienced personally. And when we were in the UK, we had friends and family. We realized that they have similar problems as well. We then created one recipe out of our kitchen, and then one thing led to another. Shilpa is a software engineer. She used to work in Aviva. We then decided to make her quit, right? With a lot of grief, with a heavy heart, she quit a job, and then we came back to India. I used to work at that time. She took around 1 year to establish the web page, create all the assets, etc., etc. And then one recipe led to another recipe. Within a span of 1 year, we had around 10 recipes, and out of those 10 recipes, we created around 40 variations.
Okay.
This we achieved through trial and error at our kitchen, of course. And then from our kitchen, we started shipping products to customers in India. We ran collab ads. Sorry, not collab ads, collab content on Instagram. And then we started getting traction. And somehow one day we found you, or I think Kabir or someone on Instagram.
Okay.
And we thought, hey, why not give it a try? And then we spoke to Kabir.
That's it.
Solid presentation by Kabir. And he bought us, literally, he bought us.
He just, his way of talking, gave confidence. We did not even think. He said, yes, Kabir will go with you.
It was a giant leap of faith, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Absolutely.
We are still bootstrapped. So every penny is important for us. And we took the leap. And 1 week, I think, we are into the ads now. And when I look back, I think it was a wise decision. Hopefully, better things will happen in the future. But when I look back at the traction we have gathered so far, like you mentioned, 200% increase. We are now thinking of hiring some people.
Yeah.
Right now. So we have a lot of hope. We are optimistic. We knew the product is good, but we didn't know how to sell the product.
So what were the challenge you were facing? Because you said you tried certain ads on your own also, right? So what was the hurdle you faced when you ran campaigns?
Problem, I think, is that we both are instant Facebook illiterates. We are meta illiterates, if I can put it that way. I try to learn it myself through AI tools, Chat GPT, blah blah, and then we set up an ad account. The problem we faced, like you mentioned initially in the call, was that Pixel was not firing. From Shopify to Meta, pixels were not firing properly, and Meta was, I think, blinded. Ads were running, but Meta didn't know what is happening afterwards. That part was blinded, and we spent like 5 or 10K at that point in time. Then Shilpa, said, let's stop it because
so it was no, it was not going the way we wanted it. We wanted Bangalore, because the Masala Puri is the one which I know where and all it is being consumed a lot, but I was getting inquiries from West Bengal and all. I said, boss, you don't know what is this. Their Masala Puri, I think that's a different thing they understand, right?
Yeah.
So then I said, let's ask Dennis or Kabir once and see what is where we are going wrong. And I think you mentioned check once the pixel, and then we thought we'll stop it and we'll try once.
It was all over the place. To be honest with you, it was all over the place. And then, like I mentioned, we are still bootstrapped. We didn't want to bleed. And we stopped the bleed then and there. One place where we got a lot of success and a lot of traction is via the collab reels. Some of our reels, at least, went viral, if I can say that way. And those gave us a lot of orders. One of the reels, I think, that is giving us 3x ROAS is the viral reel, right?
Yeah.
A few reels gave us a lot of orders, which gave us the confidence to take it to the next level, to engage with you guys, so to speak.
Absolutely. Just like now, how has been the target, audience, the quality of customers you have been getting so far?
It's a mixed bag, I would say.
Yeah.
It's a mixed bag, I would say.
Okay.
People want to try. Is what we gather from the orders, because people are ordering 1 or 2 products, and like I mentioned, there is a cohort of customers who wants to ship the product abroad, and in those instances the order value is more. We spoke about the AOV as well. I think yesterday or day before. The only worrying sign is that, but then on the other side, optimistically, if you were to look at it half glass full, we are getting orders.
Yeah.
We are getting tremendous number of orders, and on day 1 and day 2 we thought, it will stop after some time. But then there is consistency. Every day we are averaging around 10 to 15 orders, which is from zero, right? From zero we are in 10 to 15 orders, which is a big leap.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. It's a first milestone, which we have achieved so far. Yeah, no worries. I'm just thinking how happy you will be when we achieve, 100 orders or 200 orders a day.
You saw the reel which Arun sent you the other day.
Yeah, I saw the reel. I shared it with the team, and team was like very excited.
That was the first bumper order I've seen. I mean, I was so excited. I just said, Arun, please record it. Let's send it to Arlox team once. I think 2 days back we recorded it.
That made the day actually for the whole team. Okay, perfect. You guys said, right, when you saw us on Instagram, you talked to Kabir, definitely, you guys got convinced. Just want to understand, like, what about the other options, right? Before Arlox, you were considering, like, why did you go with them?
So we did engage with a few agencies initially. The low-hanging fruits. We wanted to test, I would say. We did hire a solo guy as well. We did run some performance ads at that point in time, and we were not happy with the results.
Okay.
We then did a pivot to all the collabs, right? And that kept us busy for 1 or 2 months. All the collabs kept us really busy for 1 or 2 months. Apart from that, we did try with a couple of them. They were not established, and it did not give us a lot of confidence. And we did not want to bleed. I keep coming back to the point again and again. We did not want to bleed.
Makes sense. And like when we did the onboarding, how was your experience, post onboarding with us, all the activities we did? How did you guys, find all those things? Like we made target avatar, right? We did the CRO. So how was your experience during that phase?
Hey, give us a moment, okay? Give us a moment.
Sure.
Sorry, my son is troubling. Give us a moment.
Yeah. So where were we?
Sorry, where did we stop?
Yeah. So I was asking, how was your experience post onboarding, right? We did target avatar. We helped you with the CRO report, website changes. How was your experience, during that phase with us?
Yeah. So when I think when you started the ad, it's been 1 week, right?
After the onboarding, right? We started working on the forms and everything.
Yeah, onboarding was very cool. It was very easy. I mean, I think in December we onboarded.
Correct. Yeah, so December and Jan.
I think it was pretty good onboarding. It was very easy, no issues at all. I mean, always there. Kabir was always there to wherever we had questions, and then he introduced you and your team with us. So it was good, very good.
It was smooth, I would say, and beyond that, no complaints.
Yeah,
no complaints at all, which is in itself is a positive. Right, we did not have any complaints. It was really smooth. Kabir was there, always for us, and he heard us as well. All the silly questions and stuff like that, he heard us, and he was very supportive.
One of the issue which I think I don't know, I literally called him and I bothered him a lot for that. Facebook 2FA auth code got deleted. I think you then helped us, you guided us as well. So
I do remember you were telling me to create a new page and all that.
I did that.
Yeah. I do remember that. It does happen. So my last question would be, just to understand, like, let's say, I'm pretty sure, right, people like you have friends and family or anyone who is in the business, similar T2C, what would you tell them, if they are on the fence and they're really thinking about working with Arlox?
I would say definitely please go ahead. Yes, with Arlox, always. The experience that we have till from the time we started having a conversation with Kabir till date. I think it's all positives. There is nothing that you really want to say, no complaints as such. Very happy. So definitely I would recommend any of my colleagues or family or anyone for that matter. Definitely yes for Arlox.
Our interactions have always been digital, right? And there has never been an in-person interaction.
Yeah.
I know gone are those days. But then, when I look at it in retrospect, I would highly recommend Arlox and team. We were a bit nervous and hesitant to begin with. Kabir knows we took some time to get back to him.
Yeah.
Like I mentioned, right, we were sold in that conversation with Kabir. And then our mind kept going back to that conversation, and we took a leap of faith at that point in time. And when I look back, it was a wise decision, and we would recommend Arlox if given an opportunity.
The time we took was just, I can say, for the sake that's all. It was all decided the moment when we had conversation with him. And he knew we both are husband and wife, he said. And later on, he said, oh yeah, is it okay? then it was just locked in that call itself. But still, we just thought, okay, we later on, we should not think that, yeah, we did not give time. So we just gave a thought and just, next day itself, we told yes to him. So always yes.
Amazing. I think a lot of credit goes to you guys also, because you're highly optimist, and product is also very strong. And there is a massive potential, right, in the brand and the product. Everything is being done with a lot of attention to detail, right? All the new setup that is being done. So scaling part, I think, is not going to be a challenge. And we are absolutely, going to crush the market with the brand. Every person in Bangalore should be eating Love to Eat. Amazing. So I think that's all, guys. I really, really appreciate, for your time and, giving me this positive review. It means a lot to our team. And if there are any pointers, anything you want to discuss, you can let me know on WhatsApp, and then we can take it from there. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.